Introduction to psychiatric interviewing. Psychiatric interviewing is a vital process in mental health assessment aimed at understanding a patient's thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Its purpose is to gather accurate information for diagnosis, and non-judgmental setting helps in building trust and rapport with the patient. Establishing a therapeutic alliance is crucial for open communication. Confidentiality must be ensured with ethical consideration, guiding what can or cannot be shared. Patients should be informed about their rights and the limits of confidentiality, especially when there's harm at risk. Socio-demographic details. Index patient MC is a 46-year-old male belonging to a joint Hindu family from a rural area near Sultanpur. He has studied till high school and used to own a textile business but is currently unemployed. Informant is his older brother BR, age 48. As per patient, he shares a cordial relationship with him. Chief complaints: multiple substance use, hearing of voices, seeing images, paranoid ideas, behavioral problems, family conflicts, suicidal thoughts and attempt. History of present illness. Patient has experienced multiple episodes, onset insidious, course progressive, progress of illness improving. Patient is willing for treatment. Precipitating factors: stress and family conflicts. The time patient became symptomatic is not known to the patient but could be around 2020. The patient started using multiple substances from a young age, due to which he started seeing and hearing voices of Jesus and Hindu gods like Vishnu and Hanuman, telling him to lead a respectful and pious life. Vishnu ji ने मुझसे कहा था कि सबकी इज्जत करा करो. And the voices also told him to lick the soles of slippers and touch the feet of everyone, including children. These behavioral problems became a source of regular arguments among his family members, which made him feel depressed. Although the patient believes that he has a cordial relationship with his family looks down upon him and does not support him for his condition. The patient mentioned that his family should seek counseling, not him, especially his wife and elder brother. He was also severely beaten by his elder brother, recently by a wooden stick. Reason is not known to the patient. Patient has also stated that his extended family and his neighbors used to mock him and call him pagal, due to which he used to get in verbal fights with them. He has also had few aggressive outbursts where he has broken things around his house. The patient started smoking cigarettes from the age of 18 years old and started drinking alcohol and using tobacco around the same time. Initially in small amount but became excessive along with time. At the age of 27, he first used cannabis, ganja, through a relative, unknowingly thinking it was a cigarette. After that experience, he started using cannabis frequently. The patient mentioned that it made his body feel relaxed and his mind work faster. The patient started working at a textile company at the age of 20 years old, through which he had to go to Saudi Arabia later in his career. During that time of 3 years which he spent in Saudi Arabia, the patient achieved abstinence due to unavailability of cannabis in that country. He resumed using substance once he got back to India. Patient had mentioned that जब मैं गांजा नहीं लेता हूँ तो मैं डिप्रेस रहता था, और जब कम मात्रा में लेता था तो खुश रहता था, काम में मन लगता था, पर जब अधिक मात्रा हो जाती थी तो तबीयत खराब हो जाती थी मेरी. The patient used to travel 10 to 20 kilometers just to buy 200-300 rupees worth of cannabis. The patient had multiple attempts to discontinue substance use, achieved a sustained period of abstinence lasting approximately a year. However, he had since relapsed and resumed using substance again due to major business loss he faced in his own textile business during COVID period, which made him severely depressed. He started using alcohol and cannabis excessively, during which he has had multiple suicidal thoughts and tried to commit suicide. Reason is not specified by the patient. Past psychiatric history. The patient has had multiple episodes. The patient has had suicidal ideation and one suicide attempt. The patient had mentioned feeling extremely depressed and anxious during the period of 2019 to 2021. He was not seeing any treatment for this. No history of psychiatric illness in his family. Past medical history. The patient had gone to a general physician in 2021 and 2023 for addiction treatment. In 2021, he was given a course of 1 year of medication, but he stopped using it at 7 months because he thought he had gotten better. The patient also believed that he has erectile dysfunction, which started since having a fight with his wife. There is no negative history of head injury, seizures, and traumas. Patient has had a history of seeing images and hearing voices. Substance history. The patient began consuming alcohol at the age of 18. During the period of excessive use, he reported drinking 500 ml daily. Concurrently, he has also started smoking cigarettes at the age of 18 with a daily consumption of a little less than a pack. Additionally, he began using tobacco in the form of pan masala around the same age and used it frequently. Cannabis, ganja use began in the age of 27 and continued for a duration of approximately 20 years with intermittent period of abstinence. His use escalated significantly around the year 2019. At that point, 200 and 300 rupees worth of ganja would typically last him 4 to 5 days. Personal history, birth and development. The patient is the third child among 5 siblings. He has had a normal birth and achieved all milestones on time. The patient had mentioned that he was a very sensitive child growing up and used to stay sick all the time. The patient has a history of bedwetting that persisted beyond the typical developmental age. Educational history. The patient had only studied till high school. He was an above average student, coming second or third rank in his school, and also took part in extracurricular activities. Occupational history. The patient started working from the age of 20 years old at a textile designing company, later moved to Saudi Arabia because of work, and in 2020 he started his own textile business, which couldn't go far because of major losses during the COVID crisis. The patient used to change his job frequently. He was also fired from his job once because of violence at workplace. He is currently unemployed for 4.5 years. Marital history. Patient is married to SK, a 36-year-old female. They have been married for almost 5 to 6. They have been married for almost 10 years and have 2 children, ages 5 and 6. Patient currently has a strained relationship with his wife. She has not been living with him for 1 year, and they haven't engaged in any sexual activity for 6 years. She does not understand or support him through his condition. This has been a cause of major insecurity and distress to him. Social history. The patient lives with his mother, brother, sister-in-laws, their children, and his own wife and children. Patient believes that his family has a respectful social standing and that he is the one who causes them embarrassment and brings shame to the family with his behavior. The patient and his elder brother used to earn for the house, but since both of them are currently unemployed, their younger brother, who is in merchant navy, is the sole provider for the family. Pre-morbid personality traits. Patient believes that his family had a good interpersonal relationship. Energy level is normal. Attitude towards work is average. Sleep pattern is okay. Alcohol and tobacco consumption is present. Present illness concomitant in attitude. Ability to mix with people has enhanced. Interest in work has mildly reduced. His self-confidence has markedly reduced. No change in experiencing pleasure. Present illness concomitant changes in biological needs and function in attitudes. His appetite has enhanced. Libido has markedly reduced. Sexual functioning has also markedly reduced. Sleep is normal.